My name's Matt. I work at the Bike Man here on Gloucester Road in Bristol. We are a city-based bike shop. So we repair all bikes and also do specialist jobs such as wheel building, suspension servicing, brake bleeding, all the kind of jobs you'd expect from a professional bike shop. At the Bike Man you get professional service, you also get really high levels of customer service, so you'll go away with bike working correctly and hopefully feeling satisfied. We are a community-based bike shop here in Bishopston, Bristol. So we service your bike, your kid's bike, your grandkid's bike, and then give you expert advice and customer service all on the way. At the Bike Man, we offer a same-day turnaround service, and we keep most of the products you'll need in stock: accessories, lights, locks, anything you need for your bike. So at the Bike Man, as well as offering a full range of servicing, we also offer new bikes, and the brand we stock is the light blue steel bikes. The company's based in Cambridge, and they've got a classic look, got all modern components, really good value, great quality bikes. One of the main brands we stock and believe in. At the Bike Man we offer a full and complete range of servicing from our fully equipped and professional workshop. We've got tools in our arsenal that other bike shops don't have, and we know how to use them.